Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Union tool in ArcGIS Pro. The Union tool combines input data layers into a single composite layer, but the main difference is that it preserves the boundaries and attributes from all input features. The first thing I have to say about using the Union tool is to be careful. The reason is that it can get really messy if you don't know what you're doing. In our map, we have two datasets. First, we have the square dataset with two features altogether. Remember that square 1 is on the left and square 2 is on the right. Next, we have the circle dataset. This dataset has one circle that overlaps both squares. What would happen if we run the Union tool on these two datasets? Let's give it a try. First, click on the Analysis tab. Then, select the Tools button. You'll see the geoprocessing tools on the right-hand side. Now, type in Union in the search bar. Click the Union tool. Let's take a look at the inputs required. First, let's add the circle as one of the input features. Next, let's add the square dataset as the second input feature. I'm just going to leave the rest as it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and push the Run button. This will just take a couple of seconds. Okay, let's take a look at the results from the Union tool. As you can see, the Union tool combined both the squares and circle into a single layer. But the key takeaway here is that it also preserved the boundaries from the two input features. So we started off with two squares and one circle. That means three shapes altogether. After running the Union tool, we now have 5 features. So anywhere there were overlaps, this became a new feature. Let's check out some of the attribute information. First, I want you to pay attention to the ID field. Wherever it has square 1 inch as the ID, this is the square on the left. But whenever it has square 2 inches as the ID, this is the square on the right. Whenever there isn't an ID, this is where it was just the circle without any overlap. So imagine if you use the Union tool on several datasets. The output can be pretty messy. But as you can see in our simple example, it can also be very useful as well in certain cases. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more GIS videos, and we hope to see you again next time.